God. Oh! Diesel's back.
Yeah.
That's literally a diesel as well.
Oh, what a diesel in the rain.
Okay, the rain's getting worse and worse.
Yeah, that's what the rain does, mate.
Go in front of the video. Haha. I'm going to walk down this platform with it.
Where you going?
My ankle's itchy.
Still video. What? Cars.
Video.
It's still video. Videoing your own legs. Yeah, this wasn't.
They were walking past, so I had to put my phone
This
down.
might not lead till one that's not due till on the thing.
Buffet is such a weird word.
Buffet. Phoebe.
It looks like it's supposed to say buffet.
Buffet.
Boba Fett. It says Boba Fett. Boba Fett.
It's not, it's Phoebe.
It's Boba Fett. Cannot see anything with my glasses on. What?
Glasses are what are they all like colour red.
It's one downside to having glasses. That's a diesel. Did you know that is a coach?
Did I know that one?
And it has wheels. I want ice cream. I don't know why.
Ice cream's in the freezer at home, isn't it?
I don't think so.
Did you eat those Oreo ice creams I got from my granddad?
Most of them. I think I might have left one by accident. I can't remember if I ate them all. I think I did.
It doesn't really matter.
I think I ate them all.
You were there for what, a week?
6 days.
And you are allowed to get you some for your grandparents.
Well, I didn't offer them any. I was greedy.
Yeah, but they know the real, like, if I buy something like at their house, they can have some of it. It's like, 'cause we eat their food when we go there. So it's why when I buy stuff, I have to sign up. But then, if I buy stuff that I need for at home,
I need to sneeze.
Huh?
I need to sneeze. I don't think we actually have any ice cream at home. I don't think we do. And I know it's like, why does it do that? Yesterday we came here, it was nice and sunny.
That's just shunny. Are you Sean Connery? Are you James Bond?
It was nice and sunny. While we first came here for like the first half an hour. Then it started getting worse and now it's bloody raining. I did it yesterday. Did it yesterday? Did it yesterday? Has done it today.
I don't know what that is. I think that's what's going on.
I can't believe you just got scared of that door closing.
Yeah, but that was from the other day, wasn't it? I saw the scared you. But that, when the other
Scared
kid
me
jumped out, I wish you'd seen that other kid jump.
Scared me.
It was fun.
I might have to kill you.
Okay.
It's because I love you.
Oh, well, that's okay.
Well, yeah, murder's okay if you do it out of love.
Well, you probably don't want to post stuff for saying that.
It's a joke.
What are you going to do?
I'm not liable for anyone murdering someone with love. I'm not liable.
I think they won't leave at 1 though, because this one wasn't due till 1. And this one, with the dining experience, wasn't due till 1.
I want to punch someone.
Also, do you remember we came here this morning and we were like, oh, why the carriage is there, but the train's not here, that shunted it. That answers the question as to how it got here. It's got its own locomotive, hasn't it?
Well, they were there yesterday.
Yeah, but yesterday when we came, we were like, oh.
A locomotive must have pushed it in here.
Yeah, we pushed it in for
The locomotive probably
What time
shunted.
did you come here yesterday? What time did you leave yesterday?
We left the time we left.
We didn't come till the afternoon, so maybe that was... Maybe they just keep it there on the Saturday to get it prepped ready for the Sunday. I don't know. I don't know if there was any
Probably.
yesterday or
I mean, it
not.
would make the most sense.
I don't know if there was any but we were set to go up and get it before.
I don't know which one to focus on. 'Cause I don't know which one's going to leave first. It's really, really annoying that they're on opposite ends. Because if I'm down there, watching that diesel and this starts to go, I have to try and run down here. But if I'm down over there and this one goes, I have to run down there. And if I stay in the middle and one of them goes, the second they start running down towards the one that's moving, one of the others will start moving. Goodbye, mother. Okay, I'm gonna go steal the trains. I'm gonna go spend a decade learning how to drive a steam train and drive a diesel and then steal it. Mwahahaha. I am evil. I am weird. What is mentally wrong with me? Boo-doo, 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 boo-doo.
People are just boarding now to get ready for their dining experiences and things at 1. They both leave at 1.
What the hell is that going over?
I don't know what time out it, is it?
To me, it sounds like a missile falling.
What the?
What?
Vampire, it must be someone going to the air show.
Whoa!
Because that's on at the air show. Go on, make it bigger.
Okay, how? Right, we definitely need to go next year if this is going. I know what. Finally, there's a plane in GTA called the Pyro, and that's what it's based off.
It's literally just gone over then, so well, yeah, they'll be getting in position for the air show.
Bro!
That way.
You kidding me?
Yeah, it's because the red arrows out there this year, so they put loads of like.
Well, so a video that so why are the red arrows not there this
We're
year?
not doing self-cut this year.
Why?
What the hell?
Is that buddy fur?
No, I don't know what it is.
You sure it's not buddy fur?
No, it's not bloody fur.
Why? It's your fault.
Yeah, I hired them to do a flyover it today when we're here.
Did you?
Yeah, at 1 o'clock when they both go. Red arrows are going.
That would actually be really cool.
Well, they're both going and the red arrows are going over at the same time. He's like, which do I focus on?
Imagine they actually fly over now.
I like how we were both like, with that noise.
I honestly thought we were under attack by Russia or something like that.
Oh my gosh, it's fat. But it's turned back up there. It needs to make his mind up which way it's going.
I'm gonna be fully honest. I thought.
Look at that.
I'm gonna be fully honest. I genuinely thought we were getting under attack by another country or something. Then I was like, oh crap! Here goes World War III.
Oh, if it was clear, that would have been so cool to see. So it's going to go that way. Look, so it's going there and it'll probably go across that way, across south, but it's going around this way. So it'll go across that way, across the beach.
No, doesn't have. What time is it now? Let's see. Oh, we've still got ages. I'm gonna stop the video now.